We are analyzing the extreme hardware value and pro-grade engineering of the new FUFFI M17 Pro Unlocked 4G smartphone to see exactly how it redefines the ultra-affordable, budget-friendly mobile market for daily office use and tech gifting. Before we dive into the deep technical specifications, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest high-density tech analysis. Now, let's break down the hardware. The core architecture of the FUFFI M17 Pro is engineered to deliver reliable 4G LTE network connectivity, handling your essential daily tasks, browsing sessions, and office communication needs with standard processing efficiency. For storage and memory configuration, this budget device punches above its weight class, weaponized with a solid 8 GB of RAM coupled with a generous 256 GB of internal storage, giving users plenty of local space to keep media, applications, and documents without constantly hitting storage limits. Moving to the visual department, the phone features an accessible 6.53-inch high-definition display panel. The HD resolution layout provides clear text clarity and balanced color saturation for scrolling social feeds or watching video content on the go. Sustaining the daily workflow is a built-in 4,000 mAh high-capacity battery pack optimized to deliver full-day endurance under regular usage profiles. It is supported by convenient fast charging capabilities to get you topped up through the charging port efficiently. The camera infrastructure is led by a 48-megapixel main rear sensor designed to capture crisp, high-density still photos under standard lighting conditions, making it perfectly capable for scanning documents, casual photography, and quick snapshots. On the security front, the hardware includes responsive face recognition biometric technology, utilizing the front-facing camera array to securely unlock the device and protect your private user data without requiring slow password inputs. Running an optimized version of the Android operating system, the interface offers wide software compatibility, access to essential productivity tools, and full access to the application ecosystem right out of the box. The standout feature here is definitely the combination of a spacious 6.53-inch display, a large 8 GB plus 256 GB memory layout, and dependable 4G hardware, making it an exceptional everyday budget pickup or gift option. Stay ahead of the tech curve, like, subscribe, and check the official link in the first pinned comment below. Thanks for watching.